Plantronics Manager Pro allows you to monitor and manage the configuration process for audio endpoints across your organization, regardless of user profile or location. This ensures your users an optimal experience based on their specific needs. Let's look at an example. Your sales team primarily takes calls on their mobile phones, so you have equipped this team with Voyager 5200 UC. Research indicates that if they are on a call through your UC system and a second call comes in on their mobile, they would like to be notified. In this case, IT would want to configure the device for the second incoming call option from ring once to ring continuously. To do this, simply create a new hardware settings policy that we will call Sales Profile and select the settings we want to change. Once we save this policy, it will be applied to all the users in the inside sales group that have this device. If there is a new employee in this group, this setting is automatically applied as soon as they plug in their device for the first time. Since we have changed this setting from the default, the user will not be able to change or override this setting. The Policy Compliance Report makes it easy to identify all those users that are not in compliance with this policy and is useful when troubleshooting.